Hey guys, we're doing the team draw now for preferred for tonight. It's 5:47, 26 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. Roll 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yoink. Oops, not moving. Now we have team draw. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. So, do this now. And the random is complete. And don't do that anymore. Team draw is Adam Bartley with the Nets, Bartley with the Pelicans, Benji Mack with the Raptors, Reece Strutt with the Wolves, Darren Gibbs with the Clippers, Benji Mack with the Bulls, Darren Gibbs with the Wizards, Josh Hinge with the Mavericks, Austin Kelsey with the Suns, Darren Gibbs with the Nuggets, Ashley Strutt McMahon with the Kings, Darren Gibbs with the Heat, Steve Harrison with the Sixers, Cannon with the Hawks, Charles Chaz Weeks with the Pistons, Glenbow with the Bucks, Adam Bartley with the Rockets, Stuart Sales with Blazers, Josh Hinge with the Celtics, Michael Paul with the Hornets, Tahi Johnson with the Grizz, Paul Hill with the Magic, Joshua Wikes with Thunder, Glenbow with the Warriors, Jay Atkins with the Spurs, James Cannon with the Cavs, Glenbow with the Lakers, Austin Kelsey with the Jazz, Darren Gibbs with the Knicks, and Adam Bartley with the Pacers. And that's the team list, which I'll put up right now. And there. I'll be back in like about 6:30, so 40 minutes I'll be back. We'll break then. See you guys.